In this video, I'll be talking about difference between trading and investing. So, who is a trader and who is an investor? Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about difference between trading and investing. So, who is a trader and who is an investor, and what are the difference between this, and what are the different aspects which will be affected. So, watch this video till the end to get all the knowledge about a difference between trading and investing. Okay, and also I'll be covering what is the time period for the timing. For the trading and investing, and what is the capital growth involved for both trading and investing, and what is the risk for both trading and investing. Okay, so I'll be covering all these points in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the knowledge about this. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get all the notification from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational video, intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that to get all the knowledge. And also, if you're new to the stock market, if you're having loss in the stock market and want to recover the loss and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, I do provide NSA and M6 trading course. So the trading details are in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. So here you can see I give NSA and M6 trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. Here you can see earning proof and feedback from my clients after joining my course. So a lot of people got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly in stock market trading. You can see all these things with the proof and with the ledgers in my earning proof link here. Okay, so you can go through all of this and see how constantly my clients are earning money. And if you're interested to make profits like this constantly, you can definitely join us now. So to join me, you can message me on the number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course. And also, a lot of people won the zerodha 60 days challenge also, even that certificates have been displayed. And also, one of my clients who joined my course made a constant profit for 5 months and has bought his own new car. Even that message has been displayed. So you can go through all of these things, and if you're interested to join us to make money constantly, you can definitely join us now. And also, here you can see feedback messages from my clients after taking the course. So these are all the feedback messages what I've got from my clients after taking the course. So you can go through all of these things, and if you're interested, you can join us to make money constantly now. Okay, and also, if you join my course, these are all the advantage and benefits what you get. So once you join our course, you'll be able to earn constantly in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique strategies where you require no indicators. Also, I'll be teaching you a good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 rupees. Also, I'll be teaching you a good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also, as you guys know, my course price is very less and reasonably priced. So guys, now by being said that, now let's talk about what is the difference between a trading and a investing, that is a trader or an investor. Okay, as I said, I'll be talking about a time period, a capital growth, a risk. Okay, so let's talk about the time period. So trading is a method of holding stocks for a short period of time. It could be a week or more often a day. Traders hold stock till the short term high performance, whereas investing is an approach that works on buy and hold principle. Okay, so investors invest their money for some years, decides decades, or for even longer period. Short term market fluctuation are insignificant in the long running investment approach. Okay, so the trader means that's there are a lot of traders like intraday trader, swing trader, positional trader, and a lot of things. So we typically do intraday trading, or when we are doing a swing trading, we just hold it for a few days or few weeks. But an investor or an investing person, what it does is he buys and holds the stock for a years together. Okay, so that's the main point in the timing difference. And coming to the capital growth, traders look at the price movement of the stock in the market. If the price goes higher, traders may sell the stocks. Simply, trading is the skill of timing the market, whereas investing is an art of creating wealth by compounding the interest and dividend over the year by holding quality stocks in the market. So intraday traders, what they do is they just buy a stock and sell it. For example, you buy a stock at 100 rupees, and when the stock goes to 102 or 103 in the intraday trading, you just sell it off. But whereas the investors hold the stock for a lot of time period and wait for the high growth. So here what is happening is the capital growth is faster in the intraday trading because you get your profit on that moment itself, okay? But investor get that profit in a long period of time, like sometimes a year or 2 years, like that. So they wait for a years and then they get the profit. And art is a skill, so let's learn it in this way. Trading is one day cricket match, while investing is a test cricket. You would watch skillful players in the team who are expected to strike fours and sixes to score higher in a one day match, whereas the art of game is seen in the test match. Similarly, traders are skilled technical individuals who time the market and learn market trends to hit higher profit in the stipulated time. It is related to psychology of the market investor. On the other hand, analyze the stock they want to invest in. Investing also includes learning business fundamentals and commitment to stay invested for a longer time. It is related to psychology that runs the business. So this is a difference between the art and the skill, that is the intraday trading and also the investing and holding, okay? And coming to the risk part, so undoubtedly both trading and investing imply risk on your capital. However, trading comparatively involves higher risk and higher potential returns as a price go higher or low in a short while. So since investing is an art, it takes a while to develop. It involves comparatively lower risk and lower returns in a short run, but might deliver higher returns by compounding interest and dividend if held for longer period of time. Daily market cycle do not affect much on quality stock investments for longer time. Okay, so coming to the risk part, as you guys know, when you're doing in a intraday, the price fluctuates a lot, and also if you are trading at a margin, you get a lot of margin added, and if the risk will be also more in that, okay? So but in when you're doing a investment and you're holding a stock for a year together, the risk will be very less because you're holding for a longer period of time. The stock movement will come up and come down, so you can just hold it. So these are the difference between investing and trading, and also the difference between investor and a trader. So this was a little knowledge what I felt like sharing in this video, so I hope this was helpful for you. So if you guys felt this video was helpful, do give a like for this video, and also you can go inside my channel and watch there are a lot of other video like intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips, and a lot of things. So you can go through it and watch all these videos. And also every day I upload what are the profit I make, what stock I traded with the profit screenshot proof, and see how constantly you're making profit in intraday trading. And if you're interested to make money like this constantly, you can definitely join us now. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.